ready to permanently erase your Instagram presence and reclaim your digital space. Let's dive in. First, you can't delete your account directly from the Instagram app. You'll need to use a web browser. Either on your phone or your computer, head over to Instagram.com and log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Instagram's dedicated account deletion page. A simple search for Delete Instagram Account in any search engine will bring you directly to this page. Or you can find the link in Instagram's Help Center. You'll see a clear prompt asking why you're deleting your account. Choose the reason that best fits your situation from the drop-down menu. Before you hit that final button, Instagram will ask you to re-enter your password for security. This is to confirm that you are indeed the owner of the account and are authorizing this permanent action. Now, you'll see a final confirmation prompt. This is crucial. Read it carefully. Deleting your account is permanent. All your photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be gone forever. There's a grace period of about 30 days during this time. If you change your mind, you can simply log back in to reactivate your account after that 30-day window. Your account and all its data will be permanently deleted. To finalize, click the Delete button. You'll then see a confirmation that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Remember, act within that 30-day window if you wish to reverse this decision. And that's it. Your journey on Instagram will soon be a thing of the past.